Hello children, today we will see the addition of integers. What we will have to see today? Addition of integers. So to understand the addition of integers, we will solve some of the examples. Okay, one activity also given in your textbook, that is conversation in between Dada and Anil and Sunita. Okay, so they are conversating each other, and for a better understanding that conversation, you just read it. Inside it, what they told you, we shall have the amount we have or the amount we get is a positive number. Suppose your mother gave you 10 rupees, so it is and you have 3 rupees. So in that 3 rupees, 10 rupees, what happens? Increased. So what happens? You have to add. So now how many rupees you have? You know that it is 13 rupees now you have. Your mother gave how much rupees? I told you 10 rupees. Mother gave 10 rupees. And you already have how many rupees? 3 rupees. Now how many rupees you have totally? 13 rupees you have. Okay, so that what we have done? We had done the addition of integers. Means what we have done? Plus 10 and plus 3 is equal to plus 13. Otherwise 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. What I told you, if positive sign you gave, then okay, and if you are not giving, then also what happened? It is okay. Now you have how many rupees? 13 rupees suppose. Now what is, you know how to add the positive numbers. This positive numbers addition we are learning from standard first. No, yes, from standard first. That addition of 1-digit numbers, addition of 2-digit numbers, we already learned it. Now what they told you, if I lend you 5 rupees to buy a pen, okay, how will you show that? Now suppose I gave you what? Now if you are giving 5 rupees for the pen, so how we are writing? You are spending that money, means it will be decreased. So how we will write this? Minus, it is the cost of pen. Okay, so what if I have write, so how to write this? How many rupees? Negative 5 we have to write. So this is the negative 5. If I lend you another 3 rupees, what is your total debit? Okay, again 3 rupees, what happens? Becomes less. So total debit we have to find out. Debit means what happened? How many rupees it is decreased? Means this is 5 rupees you pen to, and 3 rupees suppose you had taken eraser. Okay, now what we have to do? Total how many rupees you spend? How many rupees you spend at that time? Total spending also we have to do the addition of this integer. So here two integers are there, minus 5 and minus 3. Okay, so it's such a addition. This addition you can do very easily, but in this type of what happens, you are getting confused. So at that time what we have to do? We have to, if both are the negative numbers, this 5 is also negative and 3 is also negative, both numbers are negative, then what we have to do? We have to do the addition of these both numbers. So 5 plus 3 is equal to how much? It is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. But sign, which sign we have to give? So you have to keep in your mind, whenever you are doing addition, otherwise subtraction of integers, you have to give always, which sign? Always we have to give the sign of, the sign of bigger number. Which sign we have to give? The bigger number sign we have. So from these two numbers, which is the bigger one? 5 is, sign don't take in account. See only the number 5 and 3. From 5 and 3, which is the bigger number? 5. 5 is bigger and 5 sign is negative. So answer will get the negative sign. So that is the what? Addition of two negative numbers. What I said? This is the addition of two negative numbers. Now this what we see? The positive numbers addition. Positive number plus positive number. Okay, this is the positive number and plus positive number. Is its answer is what? We have to do the addition only, and sign which we have to give? The bigger number. Sign will be bigger numbers. Sign will be bigger number. Okay, bigger number sign we have to give. Here also, if both the numbers are negative, we have to do the addition only, but sign which we have to give the bigger number. Here bigger is 5 and its sign is negative. Now we will see the one more example for better understanding. So in that example, suppose you have now what total, how many rupees you have? 13 rupees. Okay, you have 13 rupees. Out of 13 rupees you have to spend it now. This much rupee have spent. First mother gave you 10 rupees, already you have 3 rupees, and total you have 13 rupees. From that 13 rupees you took pen and the eraser, and its cost is -8. So how many rupees left with you? To find that, what we have to do the subtraction of this both numbers. So here 13, and how much rupees you have debited? 8 rupees. So in this type of equation also, in this also, what we have to do? So 8 and -3. So here we have to do, here this 13 have a plus sign and this 8 has a negative sign. So in this type of addition of integers, we have to give the sign which will come the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Plus 13, and 13's number is sign is plus, and 13 minus 8 is equals to 5 rupees. That is amount is left with you. That much amount is. Now how many rupees you have? 5 rupees you have with you now. Okay, now next, suppose this is the what we had done. We done the addition of the integers, but here the bigger number is plus and smaller number is 8. Okay, then sometimes what happens? What happens? Suppose you took the 10 rupees pen. You took the pen of rupees 10 and you have only 8 rupees. 8 rupees you have. 8 rupees you have. Now, the how many rupees extra you want for this? So at that situation, actually you have how many rupees? 8 rupees. And you need how much rupees? 10 rupees. So this 8 we have to subtract from this -10. At that time, what we have to do? See here, different signs are there. Here negative and here plus sign is there. So if the different sign is there, we have to do the subtraction. What we have to do? Subtraction. So negative, positive, subtraction, and answer bigger number. So 10 minus 8 is equals to 2, and which is the bigger number? 10, and 10 sign is negative. Okay, so in this way, if the signs are different, what we have to do? Different signs are there. Signs are different. Which operation we have to do on it? The signs are different. We have to do the subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, and same sign is there. Same sign. What we have to do? Addition of integers. Okay, same sign, addition. Different sign, subtraction, and answers which will answer sign always bigger number sign we have to give to the bigger numbers sign. Who will get? The answer will get. Okay, so always what I said, same sign, addition, different sign, subtraction, and bigger number sign we have to give to the answer. Okay, now we will see some examples. Suppose here I will write one only number we will take, 5, 3. So plus 5 plus 3. What is its answer? Just now I told you what? Same sign, addition. Same sign, addition. If same sign is there, we have to do the addition. And here, so same sign is there. 5 also plus is there, and 3 also plus sign is there. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. And sign which I told you, bigger numbers sign. Okay, bigger numbers sign we have to give. So which is the bigger? 5. So answer is plus 5. Suppose these two only numbers we will take, but sign is negative we will take. So 5 and 3. Here also negative sign is there. Here is also negative sign. So both signs are same sign. Same sign is there. We have to do the addition. So answer is 8. And which sign will it will get? Bigger number. Bigger number is 5, and 5 sign is minus. Okay, then next term, what we have to do? Next term, suppose these two only numbers we will take again, but here what we will do? The 5 will get the negative sign and 3 will get the positive sign. Now suppose what we are doing here, the signs are now here different. One sign is minus and another sign is plus. And if signs are different, here we will write, if signs are different, signs different, then what we have to do? Signs different, we have to do the subtraction. Okay, and sign bigger numbers. So this is always we have to give the bigger number sign. So minus 5 and plus 3. Here what I said, sign different, we have to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 5 plus 3, answer is bigger number minus smaller number, answer is 2, and sign bigger number. So here it is minus 2. Now again we will take same only signs, plus 5 and minus 3. Okay, so in this example also we have to do signs are different, plus and minus. Okay, so different signs are there, so we have to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and bigger number signs we have to take. So 5 sign is plus, so answer is plus 2. In this way we have to do the addition of the integers. Okay, so here what I said, if the sum of two same signs, plus and plus, the same sign is there, we have to do the addition and sign bigger numbers. If different sign, same sign, here also negative 5, negative 3, here also sign is same, so we have to do the addition and sign bigger numbers. In third example, here signs are different signs are there, we have to do the subtraction and sign which we have to give the negative, because the bigger number is negative here. For this condition, 5 plus 5 minus 3, answer is plus 2, and what we had a different sign, do the addition, subtraction, and give the bigger numbers sign. So sometimes what happens, we have to these types of examples are coming. For example, these 4 examples we see. Now we will say one more example, and suppose it is 9 plus into bracket minus 5. Suppose 9 plus into bracket minus 5 is equals to, and that is the answer they are asking. So here what we have to do, now in this example the two numbers are there, this is 9 and this is minus 5, this is 9 and this is minus 5. Here two signs are there, okay, plus and minus. So don't be confused. What we have to do, we have to follow the same rule here, same rule, that is two number. If this is, there is no number, there is no sign, what we have to do, so which sign is there? Plus sign is there. If sign is not there, then there is a plus sign. So it is 9 is positive 9, and it is also 9, we can say both way. So this is 9 and minus 5. So here positive number and bigger number, negative number. So signs are different here. This sign don't take in account, because it is the sign of additions, and that addition is the operation. This is a sign of operation. So here 9 and here minus 5. So 9 and minus 5 signs are different. If signs are different, what I said, you have to do the subtraction. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Yes, and which sign we have to give to the answer? That is the bigger numbers, and bigger number is 9. So here we will get the plus 4 or only 4. One more example we will see. Sometimes they are showing in this way, minus 2 plus into bracket minus 3. So this is the sign of addition operations. So this sign you just keep in your, don't take in account whenever you are doing. Now see the numbers. Which are the number? Negative 2, negative 3. Both numbers are negative, means sign is same. Same sign is there. What we have to do? The addition of this number. So 3 and 2, its answer is 5. Okay, and sign which we have to give? Bigger number. Which is bigger from this 2 or 3? 3 is bigger, and 3's sign is negative. So answer will get negative sign. One more example we will see. Here suppose written minus 8, and here written plus 5. Okay, so here which is there? Here 5. Only 5 means it is which 5? Positive 5. Here also positive written, and instead of writing in this way plus 5, they wrote only how? Minus 8 plus 5. So here 8 sign is negative, 5 sign is positive. So at that situation signs are different. 8 is negative and this is positive. If signs are different, we have to do the subtraction. So 8 and 5 subtraction is the 3, and sign bigger number. 8 is bigger, its sign is negative, so answer is the negative 3. Okay, so in this way, again we will see the example. Suppose plus 5 plus 5 plus into bracket minus 9 is equals to. Okay, so in this example, just this is the sign of operation which we have to do. Now here bigger number is signs are 5 sign is plus, 9 sign is minus. So bigger number minus smaller number. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And sign which we have to give negative because the bigger number is negative. Okay. So in this way we have to do the addition of integers. Okay. So today all of you do the practice. These examples also write. Okay. And with this you have to solve the practice set number, the additions practice set number 5. You have to solve. Homework is the solve practice set number 5. And with this you have to take your own numbers and do the addition. Negative, positive numbers we have to take and do the addition of that integers and do the practice well, because this after means these addition subtractions of integer is very useful in the next standard. So okay, so today we will stop here only. So do the practice of this all example. Okay, thank you.